day, everyone. Welcome back to your #1 online phonics tutorial. Today, we are going to be looking at 2 of the 12 monophthong sounds. They are the sound E and sound A. Before we explain those sounds in details, let's look at their unique similarity. In terms of vowel quantity, they are both short vowels because they do not have colons after them. In terms of vowel quality, they are referred to as front vowel because the tongue is usually placed at the front of the mouth while pronouncing these sounds. Now, let's look at the sounds in details. I would like you all to articulate with me. The first sound we have is the sound E. E. We have the sound in words like pledge, tent, send, said, bread, man, and bed. Remember we said the 26 letters of the English alphabet are what makes up the sound of the English language. Now, let's look at the alphabet that makes up the sound E. In the word pledge, the sound E is represented as letters E. In the word tent, it is represented also as letters E. In the word send, it is represented as letters E. In the word said, it is represented as letters AI. In bread, it is represented as letters EA. In men, it is represented as letters E. And in bed, it is represented as letters E. The second sound we have on the board is the sound A. 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 We have the sound in words like plat, sat, yam, at, back, and mak. The sound A is represented as letters AI in plat, as letters A in sat, yam, and at, and as letters AC in back and mak. I would like you all to look for more words having this sound. Lastly on the board, we have a sentence of words having this sound. Let's read the sentence together. The cat is on the bed. The cat is on the bed. We'll be explaining more monophthong sound in our next episode. If you're yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button. Till I come your way in our next episode, bye for now.